How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. Before I start this video, I want to say I appreciate the support on all my other videos and all the new subscribers, so keep that up and let's keep this momentum going. Today we're going to be doing some maintenance work to the Jeep. The Jeep has been driving a little crappy lately, not gonna lie. It's a little loose as well, so I did an inspection and everything seems to be alright, minus the Krawler lower control arm bushings. They've been shot for a while. So now's a good time to go ahead and get it done. With the help of my friend Mike, I'm going to be showing you guys how we did that. So let's go ahead and jump into this video, and hopefully it helps you guys out, and hopefully the Jeep rides better also.
Alright, ciao.
Before you remove the retaining ring, you want to remove the screws with the little Allen wrench you see on the left. As you can see, my friend Mike is hammering away, and that is because I didn't have the correct tool to remove the retaining ring, and you will see what I mean in a second. So this is the special tool from Krawler that you will need to remove the retaining ring, and there's a small and a large one, and I ordered the small one, but the one I needed actually ended up being the large one. After removing the retaining ring, we hammered out the bushings. So these are the old bushings after about a year and a half of use, and they are pretty beat up. And these are the new bushings. They feel much harder. So in most videos I saw on YouTube, you have to use a press to put these new bushings on, but we didn't have access to one, so we ended up basically lubricating and then prying it over with a screwdriver. Another good idea to keep in mind is you should probably call Krawler just to make sure that you get the correct part number for the specific arms that you have. The new ones are a really tight fit, so we lubricated them again. We can now put the retaining ring back on, and also don't forget the little screws as well. Alright, so one of them's done already. Before I used to be able to wiggle the whole arm back and forth with my hand. Now this thing literally feels like a damn rock. It's crazy. Hopefully I feel a big difference while driving. And we go ahead and do the same thing for the other side. Now that everything is done, we could go ahead and test drive it. I'll take you guys along for that journey, that way you guys can see what it's like to be inside of this thing with these crazy tires, and maybe you guys will see what I mean. But let's go ahead and test drive it now. Alright, let's see if these new Krawler bushings make a difference or not. Gotta go down this sidewalk. So far so good. Whoa. That was embarrassing. Wrong gear. Hopefully you guys can even hear me with these crazy tires, by the way. Not gonna lie, it is kind of hard to tell the difference. And so far, I think it does drive a little bit better. I think. Yeah, that definitely didn't go as smooth as I planned at all. I'm gonna keep it real with you guys. I honestly couldn't tell too much of a difference. I mean, maybe it felt a little more firm, but in my defense, with these tires, they just mask everything, so it's just so hard to notice anything when you just feel like the tires, you know? But it still is a good thing to do. Maybe if I had different tires, I would actually notice a difference more. At least I am able to eliminate one factor of my whole front end being like basically dialed in and maintained. So I definitely recommend it, and the bushings are really cheap, honestly. So it's just a win-win, except the labor is a little annoying, or pretty annoying. So thanks to my friend Mike for taking care of that for me while I was just filming. That is a good friend right there. Hopefully this video helped someone out though, and gave you an idea how the install is. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and comment or message me if you guys have any questions.